What's in the box? What is it? What is it? Is it for Mummy? Big box? Is it a big box? Wow! Let's have a look what's in it then. Hi everyone, Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So today we have a big unboxing and I'm hoping this is what I think it is because I've been waiting for this one and it's wonderful. So let's get in and have a look. I've cut the sides so you can see, and it is a Craft Buddy crystal art one again, but this is a special one. So let's get in and have a look. Just oops, move the box so you can see in. Oh, and we've got paper covering it over. Oh yes, it is what I thought it was. Yes, 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 yay! Okay, so it's 3 custom paintings that I've ordered. I've got 3 toolkits, we'll have a look at those in a second. We've got 3 lots of drills and 3 canvases that have come completely flat. Not rolled, not bagged, not anything. How good is that, getting an absolutely flat canvas? Wow, that's impressive, like that. And that just looks so clear and in such good quality. I mean, it's poured glue, so you know it can take a little bit of bashing, but that is brilliant. Okay, let me get rid of the box, let me get these out and we'll have a closer look at the canvases and the drills. Right, so we'll have a look at the first canvas that you can already see, and this one is my previous Scottie, Maisie. She's now over the Rainbow Bridge. Sorry, there's a bit of glare on that, isn't there? Can you see the face a little bit there? She was 13, bless her. We lost her, oh, been nearly 5 years ago now. And we said, oh, we can't go through this heartbreak again, we'll never get another one. And then a few months later we got Millie. But this is one of my favourite pictures of her. And I thought, oh, why not do it as a diamond painting? So I don't know if you can see the little thumbnail there of just take that plastic off. It's a very tiny thumbnail. It's her just stood smiling and laughing. But I'm impressed with this. Now the 30 by 40 these canvases, and they do look as though the actual drill field is true to size. So let's have a look. So yeah, we are exactly 30 centimetres. Oops, let me get that in where you can see it. 30 centimetres, which is just under 12 inches there by, oops, and that is just under 40 centimetres, which is 50 3/4 inches. So yeah, we'll give them that, 30 by 40. That's brilliant. We do look as though we have some strange symbols on these. This isn't the normal Craft Buddy capital A's, B's, C's and alphabet and numbers that they do. So let's have a look and see what we've got. We've got some quite strange symbols there, and yeah, but they don't look too bad. That's a very small key code that you've got, and it is just on one side as well. Have a look, they do look very clear though, these symbols. Let's have a look, we've got nice white writing, goodness me, in the dark areas and black in the lighter coloured areas. So yeah, it's a pretty, I'm just impressed with how it's come flat. I think that's brilliant. You do have the option with these of having them put onto your canvas, onto your wooden frames, as you normally do with the Craft Buddy canvases, but I decided I want to frame these myself and put them possibly in a special frame, you know, and actually frame it round rather than just having them on a stretched canvas. So that's why I've got these flat. So you do have that option when you are ordering the customs. They did a special offer a few months back where there was 30% off, and I thought, well, it'd be rude not to order them when they're 30% off, so that's what I did. But yeah, that is going to be superb. That's nearly life size, that Maisie. That's just wonderful. Love that one. Okay, there is only the key code down one side. It would be handy if it was down this side as well. Look at the back. Ah, right, on the back as well, look, you've got your label telling you what order number it is. I've got my Sunday best name there, look, Elizabeth. Well, there's only my mum calls me Elizabeth, and it usually comes in 3 syllables. Elizabeth. 4 syllables. Oh, hey ho. Never mind. So let's have a look at the drills. So they come in their own packets again with the 30 by 40 label stuck on there. Ah, right, okay, so we do get alright, so we do get a key code on a separate sheet as well. Unfortunately, these are my least favourite types of bags of diamonds. The little small bags with roughly, there's usually about 200 in each. All these do look fairly good condition. They do look, so there's not really, look pretty round and not any trash in there. Okay. Let's see, that's a darker colour. That's 310, look, that one's usually quite good for measuring. Let's just see there. Yeah, don't seem to be trashing with those. They look pretty good. Very, very sparkly in the bags. Yeah, quite liking those. Okay, I'm not going to go through all the drills. They're in these little packets, and some of them are just little single packets. We'll have a look more when we kit them up. And I am going to kit one of these up because I want to do it for my paint along. Gosh, what would you call it? Rebecca, 4 Kids at 147, is doing like a June paint along with me, I think we'll call it. And we're going to section a canvas off into 30, and like we did at Christmas with the advent calendar, just do one little section at a time. So we'll do, you know, random sections on the painting until it all comes together. So I've yet to decide which one I want to do. Okay, so that's a bit better. Nice clear symbols on here, and it's that little bit bigger than that kit. That's very, very small for me. Sorry, even with my magnifying glass. Goodness me, my brain has definitely gone on its bank holiday today. So yeah, so that's a bit bigger. That will be easier to do. It tells you how many packs of each that you need. Gives you your diamond painting and how to diamond paint. Tells you how many drills you've got there if you want to sit and add them up and see how many drills you're going to be using on your picture. It's 33 colours, which is a nice number. Got a 9 there. I'm not keen on that symbol. That's like an upside down gate one. That one's a bit I think that one's going to take a bit of seeing, but it is the only one that looks like that. So yeah, we'll see how we go. They're not too bad. I've seen worse symbols. And then again, you've got your little thumbnail there. That's my little Maisie with her snowflake eyes. Look, she'd started going grey around her eyes, and we have to call her snowflake eyes. So yeah, so that's that one. Okay, so I'm not going to go through the drills just in case. That's a shame for those drill packets. I suppose it doesn't make any difference because I'm going to put them into my containers anyway, but yeah, so that's the first one. Okay, it's all nicely labelled, so I don't need to worry about losing it. Okay, so let's have a look at the next one. And this one, I did a little bit different, and you won't be able to see it very well on here. Again, sorry for the glare, but this is Maisie when she was younger, and I've turned it into like a rainbow art. See if you can see it a bit clearer on there. Again, I will put the picture in, and I'll put the original picture it came from as well. she's basically sat looking up, and I've just changed her into like a rainbow, because I do believe it is Inclusion Month or Pride Month or something for June. So I'm losing me things off my table here. So yeah, I thought that would be quite nice to do this month. So yeah, okay. But yeah, you can see it a little bit from the thumbnail there. And again, just one key code down the bottom there. We have got DMC numbers. It's cut a bit skew whiff on that corner. It's not been cut very straight, has it? But that's okay. And as I say, I wanted them flat. I mean, I'll be cutting that off anyway. But yeah, there's a lot of number 9. But it is quite confetti-ish, this. It's not just all one colour. There are quite different colours in that as well. So number 9 is 3756. Okay. And we have no 310s in this one. Ooh. Let's have a look at these drills again. Fantastic quality canvas. Really, really impressive. It's quite a stiffish one, so it'll be nice. It'll stand up nice in the frame when I put it in the frame. Again, sticker across the back there, so we know which painting it is. So this is more of an experiment one, because I was playing about with my graphics and I just thought, oh, I'll just turn Maisie into a rainbow. So I've got some lovely colours. Look at those. You can see we've got all the rainbow colours there. The purples, pinks, greens, blues. This looks like this is all your background, which I love that colour. That is one of my favourites. That's like that real pale, minty, fresh greeny white colour. Some deeper rose pinks there, some yellows, some grey whites, lots of different mauvey colours, more pinks there. So yeah, some good colours in that one. So how many colours have we got? I do like the fact that they're enclosed these. So this one's just 30 colours. Okay, and actually, what have we got? We've only got, these are mainly letters and numbers. So we've got 1, 2, 3. There's only 4 symbols in this kit, so that's good. I like that. And they're all pretty sort of easy to read symbols. I think you can see those. They're all pretty good. So, which one am I going to do? Which one shall I choose? I might put on Facebook and Instagram, like I did with Lady and the Tramp and Winnie the Pooh, to see which one gets the most votes. Because I'm not sure which one I want to do first. I want to do all of them. Don't just find that though when you're doing your diamond painting. Every time you get a new one, you want to do that one now. So that's that one. And then, of course, not to be missed out, we do have our little Millie Mo. And this is one just before we went to our last Christmas party with Scottie Rescue Stex that we belong, Scottish Terrier Emergency Care Services. Yeah, so that's the little thumbnail. Again, I'll put the picture on. Oh, we've only just got the key code on there. Look, that's been sliced a little bit close. That has nearly lost its numbers. Whew, that was good. Oh, not so good if we'd have lost any numbers. But yeah, I think you can see that one a bit clearer. So let's see how many colours we've got in this one. This is Millie sat there, and she's got, this is a Christmas like neck thing with bells on it that she's got on. I think I've said before, oh, we've got some escapees looking, this one. Be careful opening this. And yeah, I think I've said before, she hates dressing up, so it's really easy to take photographs of her because she just sits and glares at you. Okay, so see how many colours this one has. Again, this one's 30 colours. Okay, yeah, we've definitely got some loose drills here. Let me just pop those back in there for now. Don't want to be losing those. Oh, there's a few escaped there. Okay, it's unusual actually, these little bags Don't very often have escapees. Okay. So, how many symbols have we got? That's letters, numbers. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 5 symbols on this one. So not too bad. Again, you know, they're fairly clear. And yeah, I think you can maybe see that picture a little bit better. I will put pictures, the original photographs in these as well. But yes, so what have we got? We've only got 2 bags of 310, but we've got 10 bags of 939. So instead of 310, we're using 939 there to get the dark colour of this little Scottie dog. Oh, this is going to be lovely. This is more of a Christmassy one, but I thought it could be for any time of year, really. So that's your drills. We've got 310 and the 939. We've got some lovely red there, some creams, some greens, some fawns, some pinks. Getting some more greens, so we've got the background. So all for your shading. I've got some navy blue there, really dark blue, which again will probably be shading on Millie. She keeps looking at me because she can hear her name. Okay, so yeah, I'm quite impressed with these. Let's just have a quick look at the toolkit to finish off. So it's bigger than a normal toolkit. We've got a boat with a funnel, which is brilliant. 2 squares of your red wax, and it is the red wax, it's not the pink, it's not the see-through one, so this is a little bit better quality. It's got a flat bottom on this boat. And then we've got 2 of your sparkly clear pens, and we've got a multiplacer, a big multiplacer there. So let's have a look and see what size this one is. Do you know, since I haven't had any nails, I can't pick anything up. Is this one a 10? Does it say 10 on it? Yes, it's a 10. It says 10 on it, but we'll just try it on our little board, seeing as I've made my little board. Yeah, that's a 10. So that's a 10 placer and a single placer, which is good. And then this one is a 4, and that one says it on it as well. And they're the nice thin ones as well, look. So they're like an upgrade. They're really good. So this is a good toolkit. So if you like your multi-placing, you've got some really good, nice thin white multi-placers there. Okay. And then some baggies. We'll do a quick count. These look a little bit bigger, these baggies. Yeah, they are, look. They're a bigger size than normally the little, what are they, 3 by 2, but they look a little bit bigger. Now, what have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we've got 10 bags in this one. The card kits and things that I've done in the past have always had 20, but they've been slightly smaller. So it's always just an average, always just a quick count. But yes, so that's your little toolkit, and we've got 3 of those. They all look to be the same. Yeah, they've all got the 10 and a 4 placer. So yes, impressed with these. I do like them, and the fact that I got 30% off them is even better. So we have a Maisie, a Millie, and another Maisie. So it's definitely been a Scottie video, this one. Okay, well, that's this unboxing. I hope you've enjoyed it. I've certainly enjoyed looking at these, and I really can't wait to get started. I know I say that on every single one, but these are fab, and I think because they're personalised and they are my little doggies, then these are just going to look absolutely fab when they're done. Okay, well, that's it from me. If you've enjoyed seeing the video, then please press the like button. Whoops, down in this corner here. It's down here. That's it. I'll get used to this eventually. And the subscribe button's in this corner if you want to see me when I've got these done. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.